Hello Music After School students, it's Ryan here, your instructor away from school, and today we're going to be learning a new song called Elephant Walk.
Let's take a look at our tablature chart for Elephant Walk. As we can see, the only numbers that occur in the tablature chart for Elephant Walk are zeros. This means that we are only worried about open strings. And those open strings are low E and A. We know this because those numbers only occur on the bottom two lines of the tablature chart. In addition to this, we have all of these dashes down here which represent our rhythm. Notice how we have written in quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes to remind us of how many beats these dashes get. For example, in the first measure we have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes. That rhythm is play, 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 play. In the second measure, we have 2 quarter notes followed by a half note. That rhythm is play, play, play. Notice how the half note is slightly longer than the quarter note. In fact, it is exactly twice as long as the quarter note. In the third measure, we have 4 quarter notes again, just like measure 1. That rhythm is play, 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 play. And then last, the last measure, where we don't have a dash underneath, which represents a whole note, which gets 4 beats. So that rhythm is just play. And you hold that down for 4 counts. At the end of Elephant Walk, we have 2 lines and 2 dots, which represent a repeat. So once we get to the end, playing this whole note on the low E string, we have to go back to the beginning and play it again. Let's go ahead and look at the tablature chart for Elephant Walk and see if we can follow along with the notes as we hear them play. Ready? Here I go. 1, 2, ready, go. Very good.
Let's take a look at what our fretboard looks like when we play Elephant Walk. Because there are no numbers other than 0 in our tablature, it is all open strings, and therefore your left hand will not have to hold down any notes. Let's take a look. Did you hold down any frets? If you did, you are incorrect. So make sure that you're not holding down any frets with your left hand. Great job! Let's take a look at what our strings look like when we play Elephant Walk. Keep in mind, we are only using the 2 low strings. That's low E and A. Now that we have fully examined Elephant Walk, let's go ahead and try playing this song together. I will count us in nice and slowly. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Great job, everybody! Hello again, Ryan here. Just a reminder, if anything in the previous sections of this video confused you, please feel free to rewind and watch again. If you find that it is still confusing, please review the first video. Goodbye!